Hey everyone, welcome back to my crafting world. This is Anna. Guys, I got a swap back. I didn't share what I sent to my partner. I did take pictures, so in the end I will insert the pictures of items that I sent my partner. So this swap was in the group Made by You, and I'll again post the link. I know I've linked it before, but I will link it in the description box below in case anybody wants to go take a look. And I got my swap yesterday, and all I did was take it out of the envelope and undress it a little bit so that we didn't have all that paper rattling and whatnot. So we were supposed to we had a video to follow, and I'll post that one in the description box as well. And I forgot actually what it's called. So the main project was an envelope. I don't remember exactly what it's called. But I'll come to it at some point. Anyway. So we were supposed to make the main project. We were supposed to include a Christmas recipe, Christmas or Thanksgiving. And what else were we supposed to do? In our envelope, our main project, we were supposed to include some die cuts. And I think that was it. It was, they're usually quick and easy swaps. So as you guys have known, as you guys know, I've been going through some stuff, so I don't have like a whole lot of time to craft, but I thought that one was good because it still keeps me in the crafting, so I can still enjoy some of the craft swaps out there and just keep crafting. So anyway, let's get into this swap, and this is how this came from my partner, and I'm not going to pronounce her name because I don't want to get it wrong. I just don't want to get her name wrong, so I'm not going to pronounce her name. I'll put her name in the description box, and you can, or who knows, it might be in here. So she did send me an envelope with some teas, and it's a little glassine bag. This one's little. I like this little bag. So she sent organic green tea, Strawberry Fields herbal tea, and Tazo Earl Grey. I've had this one before. So she sent me some tea, and then this was our I remember why she sent two. This is our main project, and so we're going to get into that in just a little bit. She sent a little bag with, it looks like some tags. Every leaf sparkles bliss to me, fluttering from the autumn tree. Oh, that's so pretty. I could see this like on a gift, birthday or whatever. And these are other tags that she sent me. And guys, I use my tags, I really do. And then she sent me some labels, and then this one's another one. Very pretty. So yes, I use my tags, guys. And then let me see what this is. Oh, this is her that's her recipe. And then she sent me some alphabet stickers. So pretty, very pretty. You can use these either for Christmas or Valentine's because of the red. That's pretty. They're all lowercase. Okay, so it's not the full alphabet, but I'm sure I can find use for these letters anyway, even though it's not the full alphabet. But yeah, I can certainly use that. And then see what this is. And then she sent, see what this is. Okay, so she sent okay, these are like cut aparts, I guess, from it's a card. Oh, how cool. She sent a card, have a holly jolly Christmas. Okay, just a little note, and that's the inside. This is so cool, guys. This is so cool. I guess it's a, I guess this card came like that. I was thinking she had made it. Very pretty. Thank you, ma'am. And then she did send me some more cut-aparts. These are like, they remind me of recipe cards, but you can journal or whatever in these. And then Peace and Joy. So super cute. I like these. I am going with traditional this year, so loving the red. So there's that. And then let's look at her recipe. I sent her the peanut brittle recipe, guys. Oh, that is so good. It says easy double-decker fudge. Prep time 15 minutes and chilling about 1.5. Yields, plus chilling, and then yield about 1.5 pounds. She says that she makes this every year Christmas. So easy and so yummy. Oh wow, it does look easy, guys. There you go. In case it's in case you want to give it a try, there's the recipe. All right, there's her recipe. I'm gonna give that a try. Okay, and the reason that she has two, so I think you pronounce her name Roche, but I'm not sure. She says she made two because they were so much fun to make. So again, I'm gonna post the video that we followed in the description box. So let's open this up and see what she has included. Oh, this one probably stays down. Okay, so this is the front, and again she is using, you know what, but we used the same paper pad, guys. I just realized that because I saw this. Remember the tags that I shared with you? I think it was the last video. Yeah, this is the paper pad, guys. Look, that's this paper right here. How funny. I have this paper pad. Okay, so I mean, I didn't use the same paper pad for her, or did I? You'll have to look at the pictures. Okay, we used the same paper pad, me for the project that I showed you before this one, and then her for our project. She has one for fall and she has one for Christmas. That's cool. So it does have two pockets right here. And she put little, you know, a little flag at the end of her pockets. I like this twine. That's so pretty. It's nice and thick. So these are, oh, she laminated this. Oh, it's a, okay, so this, she made a magnet out of this. Oh, that's so cool. All right. And then she sent me some red snowflakes. Very pretty. And then a cut apart. Oh, and then some more cut aparts. There we go. And then in this next pocket, okay, and then this next pocket, she sent me some flags. These can be used as tags, actually. That may be what I use it for. You know me and tags. I don't like making them, but... And then these are small. These are printed on sticker paper. Okay. So these are printed on sticker paper. Oh, how cute. They're little, they look like, they actually remind me of flashcards. Those are cute. I wonder if they fit on here. You know, I could probably put them on here for the kids. And then just cut, you know, finish cutting the tail. Or put it on a bigger one. Oh, I like that. Yeah, I can definitely do that. So I'm gonna use those. So that was the first, I'm gonna leave this out. That was the first envelope. So super duper cute. And then you just wrap your twine around that way. And there you go. That's hers. Guys, I laminated mine and I did sew it a little bit, but yeah, I like that. I was the first one. Keep those together. All right, and this one's the one for fall because we had a choice. We could do fall theme or we could do Christmas theme. And this was apparently her fall themed one. And there's that. She's some washi. Oh, because in the video that we followed, she showed us 2 different ways to make them. And one of them was stapling the sides versus gluing them. She glued this one, but she stapled this one, following both examples. And there is her pocket. And again, she's got some die cuts in here. So this is in her first pocket. Oh, I like the little coffee cup. That's pretty. Southwestern pattern there. And then this one says fall, best season ever, autumn, and some tags. That was her first pocket. And her back pocket, she's got a lot more die cuts, guys, and they're pretty much the same. There we go. And then crunchy leaves, sweater weather. Oh, I like this. Crisp mornings, chilly nights, all snuggled up. Warm sips, crafty time, pumpkin everything. All the fall things. I like this. I'm gonna save this one definitely. Beautiful, glorious fall. And she's got all that. That's cute. Some little blankets stacked up. Autumn shows us how beautiful it is to let things go. Yes, it does. All right, guys, that was my project, or that was my swap share with you guys. There we go. And again, I'll leave, I'm gonna insert pictures in the end there, and so you can see what I sent her. Although I only sent her 1 envelope, but it had quite a bit in it. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I will talk to everyone later, guys. Y'all have a great day. Thanks a lot.